From Bose AI here, and I got the FYELABS team at day 3 of Collision Conference. How's it going?
It's electric. I can feel the buzz in the air. It's like thousands of people out there.
Oh my God, I feel all 40,000 people have walked by me so far today. Electric is correct. That is how we're feeling. Tell us about what FYELABS is up to.
So we enable people's product development dreams, right? If somebody comes up with an idea of a software or hardware product, we can build it for them in Canada, which is nice, made in Canada. Yeah.
Get that shred, made in Canada, yeah.
Yes.
That's where we come in.
That's right.
I love that. But yeah, you guys do a lot of really cool R&D. You do a lot of really cool innovation. That's why we love to have you on our channel, and we can support you in any way we can. But yeah.
100%.
What are you looking forward to for the rest of the event?
Making more connections, spreading the word out. We have a pretty diverse team: software, robotics, industrial automation, AI ML, which I see a lot of companies here then like AI ML in that general,
That's funny, I noticed that too, actually. Yeah, more than I was expecting at least. Yeah.
Well, but I mean, you have to also take that in the grain of salt. When people say AI, are they really using AI in the true sense, or it's just like, something they're using off the shelf and claiming they're an AI and technology company? And that's why we can help, because we've developed custom AI solutions, right?
I love it, yeah. You got to pass that smell test, and it's easy to see that when you're here today. And when you have the expertise that you guys do too. Again, you work across sectors, you work across solution levels.
That's right.
It's so great. I love it.
That's right. How do you find the conference so far?
Oh, I'm having a blast. This is my second Collision conference. I'm exhausted, but I feel like I just got my third wind of the day, and me and my buddy Miriam
it's
are
funny, because shred, right? So I talk to a lot of people and they're not aware. It's like, what is shred? And say, wow, you have to know about shred, because a lot of these projects are innovative, and leaving money on the table is the right way to describe it.
Absolutely.
And you guys can help there, right?
Canada gave out $4.4 billion in shred funding this year, between last 2023 and 2024. North America, R&D tax credits, $20 billion on the table. Only 5% of eligible companies are taking advantage of it.
Yeah.
Get your share. It's free money. It's out there on the table.
Absolutely.
And it helps you do cool stuff. And then you can be the next FYELABS. So yeah.
Okay,
I
love
love
that.
Thank you so much.
Appreciate it.
Awesome.